Sweet Joe-Pye-weed, scientifically known as Eutrochium purpureum, is a perennial plant native to North America. It features attractive purple-pink flowers and is a favorite among pollinators. If you're interested in growing and caring for Sweet Joe-Pye-weed, here are some guidelines to help you. Planting. Choose a suitable location. Sweet Joe-Pye-weed thrives in full sun to partial shade. Ensure the soil is well draining and rich in organic matter. Planting time. Spring or early fall is the ideal time for planting. Avoid planting during extreme weather conditions. Watering. During the first growing season, water regularly to establish the plant. Provide enough moisture to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Once established, Sweet Joe-Pye-weed is generally drought tolerant and can withstand short periods of dryness. However, occasional deep watering during prolonged dry spells is beneficial. Soil. Sweet Joe-Pye-weed prefers moist, fertile soil. If your soil is sandy or lacks organic matter, amend it with compost or well-rotted manure before planting. Maintaining adequate soil moisture is important, but avoid waterlogged conditions, as it can lead to root rot. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant, leaving space around the stem. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. Pruning. In late winter or early spring, before new growth appears, prune back the plant to about 6 to 8 inches from the ground. This promotes bushier growth and prevents the plant from becoming too leggy. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming and prevent self-seeding if desired. Support. Sweet Joe-Pye-weed can grow tall and may benefit from staking or support in windy areas. Install stakes or plant supports early in the growing season to avoid damaging the roots. By following these care instructions, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of Sweet Joe-Pye-weed in your garden while providing a valuable food source for pollinators.